Hi everyone, Sunil here from Trade Shark, and thanks for once again joining my channel. So again, we'll start with the disclaimer that this channel is purely for stock market education purpose, and you understand and agree that trading, investing in the share market is subject to market risk, and I would strongly advise that you consult with your um, financial advisor before you trade or invest. Okay, the views mentioned here are purely my views of the market, and the levels which I talk about, those are purely my study and a kind of a direction of the market. So with that, I think straight away jump into our regular discussion, the weekly discussion. So as I I had pointed out in the last week also that I said that this Bank Nifty is more weaker than the Nifty. So even it bounced back. Okay. So again, these levels, if you are following my videos last 4 5 weeks, these levels are plotted way before, right? And if you see exactly in this week, it took the resistance here and again came back to this particular level. So again, this particular level 55155 could be little support, but we may see something like this. And as I've been telling that Bank Nifty is a weaker, we may see these levels 53,800. So let's see how it revolves around this particular area. Okay, so this is the Bank Nifty, and coming back to Nifty. So as I said, Nifty will turn back, right? And it did. So if it gapped up exactly the level above, okay, the which I have been talking about, that is 24,870, and see the magic, it has again rested at the same level. Now, if you see the intraday levels, okay, let's say go into 15 minute, you will see how it is perfectly honoring these levels. Okay, so it started with this, took support, bounced back, went ahead, went up. Again, you see where it is rested. It has not even closed below this, right? So this is very important, right? How these levels work and why it is important to understand these levels in intraday markets. And as I said again, these were drawn way before, right? And how it exactly works like um, maybe kind of you can say support resistance or supply demand kind of thing. So this was a short video in this week on nothing specific stocks to be discussed in this week. So considering the overall market and it really bounced very well, but again in one candle, it or in one day it lost the entire gains which it had taken up into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All gains are wiped out. Okay, so this is very important. Again, coming back to the levels, why these levels are so important, probably you might get to know. Okay, so thanks for joining me today. I will come up with um, each week. I will try to do analysis for Nifty 50 stocks from next week onwards. Let's say we'll start with alphabetic order. And if you need any particular stock to be analyzed or any levels you would like to know, please feel free to reach out in the comment section. And as always, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and wish you a very happy trading week ahead. Thank you.